Welcome back to Nomads Trekkn. We parked at Thousand Trails, Las Vegas, and the last couple of weeks was a mix of art, fun with friends, and an upgrade to the rig that we've been putting off for quite some time. Life on the road isn't always just about sunsets and hikes. Sometimes stuff just breaks or gets uncomfortable. It was time that we took these factory recliners out to the dump. That hitch gets in the way. We decided to hit up the Las Vegas IKEA. When you live in 300 square feet, buying furniture is terrifying. Will it fit through the door? Will it fit in the slide? Do we even know if they put them in through the door? This is the understated, unglamorous side of RV life. We can't just take these out to the curb. So we found a local transfer station. Goodbye, old friends. You served us well, but our backs need an upgrade. Take care. I was blown away by how much garbage there was. These huge cat machines were pushing garbage everywhere. Trucks coming in and out dumping. We're out of here. We grabbed some new cacti to match the Vegas vibe. It's funny how doing normal house stuff, like IKEA runs and plant shopping, feels so grounded, even when you're technically homeless in a parking lot. Then it was time to hit the strip. After hauling furniture to the dump yesterday, we took a break from the manual labor. We went down to the strip and visited the ARTE Museum. The exhibits are all interactive and a lot of fun. You can go through as many times as you want. After hauling all that furniture, watching my gray colored elephant walk across the digital screen was just the mental break we needed.
Okay, so now that we're exiting the ARTE Museum, was it worth it? 55 bucks? I don't know. Pretty cool, but a little pricey for about half an hour or so.
After the museum, we decided to stop and have some dinner, and of course, do some people watching. Vegas has got to be number one for that. After dinner, we kept walking around and stopped at a couple of casinos. No gambling for us, but really pretty to look at.
I guess they knew that we were coming.
Hello there.
We swung by the Bellagio just in time for the Lunar New Year display. The details are incredible. But the real showstopper this year are the horses. Just take a look at these stallions towering over the garden.
After the bright lights and the hustle and bustle of the strip, it's finally time to go home, have a glass of wine, and relax. One of the great things about this lifestyle is you get to meet your friends all over the country. We wound up meeting up with fellow Xscapers. They gave us a little trick about this monorail. Comment below if you want to know. Our final night brought on a really cool show and a lot of fun bowling with our friends. So, Las Vegas gave us refreshed living room, a digital elephant, and some great memories with friends.
And we successfully navigated the local dump. That's a win in my book.
I agree. So, if you're new here, we're John and Rich, exploring the U.S. one epic spot
And IKEA trip.
at a time. So, we'll
See you down the road.
Free as a bird, this is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear.